Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about A2 hosting. A2 hosting is a web hosting provider that offers reliable and high performance hosting solutions for individuals and businesses. In this video I will explain how to use A2 hosting and highlight its key features. Getting started with A2 hosting is straightforward process. Once you sign up for your account, you can choose from a variety of hosting plans that suits your needs, whether it's shared hosting, VPS hosting, or dedicated hosting. Each plan has its own set of resources and features, and you can select one to fit your website's requirements and budget. So let's get started by creating our account. Here, those are the plans that I was talking about. The shared, the WordPress, the VPS, the dedicated hostings. You can save money depending on what you choose. Like I said, it's on your budget. So and each plan has a sub-plan like the startup, the drive, the turbo, and the turbo max. So let's choose the startup. Let's get ready and let's get started by setting up your hosting plan. Like something like this. Use this domain. Yes, of course, it's .com. Use this domain. Now it is available. So available currency, we have USD and Indian currency. So configure your desired option and continue to check out. Single website, 100 gigabyte ultra fast SSD storage, unlimited transfer, unlimited email accounts, A2 website builder, WordPress optimized. We have free SSL certificate and cPanel control panel. So here you can choose 1 month membership or 36 months. You can save up to $180. So here we have server location. You can select data center closer to your visitors for maximum speed. Arizona, US, Michigan, US, Amsterdam, Europe, Singapore, Asia. And you can choose dedicated IP. You can add website builder, free, the basic, the business, and the enterprise. So here, auto install application. You can install some applications on your website. This will be added to your checkout. Then you click on continue. So after selecting a hosting plan, A2 hosting provides you with access to cPanels and user-friendly control panels that allows you to make your website and hosting settings. From cPanel, you can easily install popular content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal with just few clicks. This makes it convenient for beginners and those without technical expertise to set up their website quickly. So now, product, you can edit your membership for the last tip, for the last time. You can use promo code, but we have estimated tax. You can post your postcode, state, country. So A2 hosting boasts impressive performance thanks to their turbo server option, which uses high-speed SSD storage and optimizes caching to deliver faster page load times. Additionally, they have data centers located in different regions, enabling you to choose a server location closer to your target audience for better speed and performance. And one of the standout features of A2 hosting is their excellent customer support. They offer customer support 24/7 for 365 days, support via live chat, email, and phone, ensuring that you can get assistance whenever you need it. Their support team is knowledgeable, responsive, and dedicated to resolving any issues or answering any questions properly. So to start chatting, you will add your name, your email, and choose the department, sales or technical support. Start chatting, they will contact you. You add the number 12 in the queue. The estimated time wait is about 1 hour. So, okay, this is embarrassing. For the website, not for me. So we have here the number, you can call them if they didn't respond on your chat. So HO hosting also provide a range of additional features to enhance your hosting experience. This includes free website migration, SSL certification for secure data transmission, automated backups, and a website staging environment for testing change before deploying them on your live site. So here, after putting all your informations and fixing all the problems, now you will be directed to the checkout, to fill up those informations, your name, your last name, your address, your phone number. The billing address, we have the company name, it's optional, the region, the street address, the city, the VAT number. Here we have the postal code. Now here the postcode. Here we have the zip code. Here we have GSTIN number, if applicable. So here we have account security. You need a password, and to confirm your password, and choose a security question because you already paid. If you lost your account, it's not the business fault. It's not the HO hosting fault. What's your favorite pizza topping like? And you answer here by putting something like this, random, so people can't figure out what's your favorite pizza topping. So choose your preferred method of payment: credit card, PayPal, pay you later, Skrill, check or money order, bank wire transfer. Fill up the informations, click here. Should send occasionally use. This is for email notification. You can turn them on or off. And when you are complete, you click on complete the order. So overall, HO Hosting offers a reliable and feature-rich hosting solution. The user-friendly interface, robust performance, and responsive customer support makes it an excellent choice for individuals and business looking for a hassle-free hosting experience. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.